Hi, I'm Mike Volpe. I'm a partner at Index Ventures.
My name is Matt Miller. I'm one of the partners at Sequoia Capital.
I am Eric Vishria. I'm a general partner at Benchmark. If I go back 5 years when it was just Jay, Neha, and June, and we started working together, everyone was excited about Kafka. Like, people understood that it was this important piece of technology, but people thought it was this little niche. They, at that time, conveyed this really exciting vision for why this was the real-time central nervous system or communication hub for data and why it was going to be so important. It's no longer a question of if that's going to happen. Now it's really a question of how is it going to happen, when exactly is it going to happen, and who's going to capture that opportunity.
All of these companies, big and small, modern tech companies to older legacy, large incumbent companies, are making this their core central data system, their core central nervous system for data. And I think that gives Confluent, the company, to be one of the largest technology companies in the world, which is why we're so excited.
What this company is building is an interconnect system between every element of data that a company holds and how that data is then processed and made useful. And if you think about that, and the fact that most businesses will only have one infrastructure to do that, the opportunity there is massive. And I think this company is really just scratching the surface of that opportunity right now.
The shift in the move to event streaming is changing 40 years of application architecture, and it's causing people to rethink how things work at a very fundamental level. To be a part of that, to have the opportunity to play some small role in that mega paradigm shift, the likes of which I can think of 2 others in my lifetime, is a very unique and special opportunity and something that gets me super excited.
If you think about the trajectory of business, first of all, how important data itself is becoming in businesses, how critical the real-time nature of streaming data is becoming. And thirdly, just the overall scale of every component, every part of a business, and how desperately they need to take that data and understand it better, derive meaning or insight from it, or use it to improve the customer experience. All of that is bundled into the opportunity that Confluent has.
18 months ago, before we had any cloud business at all, and at the same time that the customer-run business was growing tremendously, you all shifted the entire engineering team to be developed on cloud first. That's a tough decision that required a lot of short-term transitionary pain, but is absolutely the right decision for the long term. All of these things are examples of looking and seeing around corners, making the right decision to have the best long-term outcome, and actually helping lead our customers to take full advantage of the power of what we're offering.
This is the company that was founded by the creators of Apache Kafka and has all of the best talent around Apache Kafka inside of this company.
I think we'll win because we have the best technology at the right time in the market. But I also think that we have a lot of work ahead of us to actually make sure that this unfair advantage that we find ourselves with turns into a giant company with a large market cap.
Look, 2019 was a challenging year. We really went from monetizing and working with customers who were very excited about Kafka, but were largely looking to us for support, if we're honest, to really needing to back it up with an IP portfolio. We went from a team of 400 some odd people to 1,000 some odd people, which is incredible growth to happen over a year. And obviously, on top of all of that, you have leadership changes and management changes and executive changes and responsibility changes and impact changes. All of those things are challenges that you all as a team have gone through over 2019, but they set us up so perfectly for 2020 and beyond. Now, if we look at it, we have the right delivery vehicles, we have great offerings for our customers, and we have the team, most importantly, all of you, to be able to go after that and capitalize on the shift to event streaming. And I think that's an amazing opportunity that we get to look forward to.
Companies mimic the journey of a life of a person. They're born, they're little babies, they're cute, they don't really know how to walk around particularly well. You need to help them and feed them a lot. If you look at where we are as a company today, you're sort of talking about a late teenager. And so I think we're at that super critical point in life where you're sort of in high school and you're kind of figuring out who you know and what you like and what kind of a person you are and what kind of a company you're going to become. And I think a lot of the work that we do in 2020, whether it's on the product side or on the go-to-market side or internationalization or launching of new products or Confluent Cloud, those are all incredibly defining decisions, defining moments for the future of what this company is going to look like as an adult. I think you have to really wear that burden, feel that responsibility of the work we do this year. Everything that we do will impact deeply the next decade or two of what this company will look like. And so I'm super excited about what this year holds for us, and I think every employee in this company should feel very special in terms of the responsibility that we've given of defining what this company will look like.